Somebody send help. Send help. This is not going as scheduled. Hey guys. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying to follow a Nikkie tutorials tutorial. And I'm pretty scared. I'm like pretty scared. I'm not gonna front. I'm just like pretty like darn scared. Because Nikkie tutorials is just like the epitome of flawless. Like you look up flawless in the dictionary and there's boom. Nikkie tutorials. Like it's just like. So I'm going to be trying to follow 2 different tutorials because I wanted to create a certain eye look that she created, but she did not do her base in that video. So I'm going to follow one video for her base and then the other video for her eye look. Just wait.
All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime.
This is the Amazing Cosmetics Primer in Glow. I actually have never used this one. I've used the bronze one, but Glow is like lighter. So what are we doing here, Nikkie? Some like back here. Yeah, looks like what she did. And then she is using a brush to blend this all out. We're gonna use this brush to, you know, blend this all out. Is she like pushing it into her skin? She kind of like swirled it around a little bit. All right, nice sharp casket ready. All right, so now we're gonna go on to the next step.
For foundation, my favorite combo at the moment, Angel Food Faux Filter Foundation by Huda Beauty. And by Jouer, the High Coverage Cream is Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation in the color Alabaster.
So I definitely don't have, I have the Jouer in Espresso and Huda Beauty in Mocha. So we're gonna mix this together. I've never done this ever in my life, but did she like, where did she mix those? Oh, I'm gonna do the back of my hand. I have no idea where she mixed them. These are 2 super full cover foundations. So I'm assuming this is gonna be really, really full cover.
And in a tapping motion, I apply that to my entire face. And I'm a full coverage addict. And if you're not a full coverage junkie addict like I am, fear not, we can still be friends as I look ridiculous right now. I am doing so much preparation for something I do every year towards the end of the year. Yes, I will finally delete my channel during that. No, I'm kidding. Meaning, yes, I will finally do a natural makeup challenge video during that week. So stay tuned for that. All right, some concealer.
Honey, you are going a little bit too fast here. Okay. Your girl is still trying to blush this into her face. I'm still trying to push this in right now. Like, she does do her lips because to make everything even. So I did, you know, cover my lips, which I don't usually do. So she's using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It was in a description box. That's how I know. So we're going to take this one. This is a brand new one in caramel. I used to use Amande. She's using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder.
And now I'm baking my under eyes using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 05.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and start with the burn book video, which is what I really wanted to do. She already did her entire face, so I'm gonna do her. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because she already did her brows, and I'm gonna be right back.
In today's video, I'm just gonna be playing with the burn book. I'm so excited. First color I'm gonna go in with is Wednesday. And Wednesday is going into the crease and onto the outer third of the lid. And this color is so pigmented and so intense. You wanna go little by little because you pick up a little bit and you're on. Now with a clean brush, I'm slightly buffing out the edges. And now we're gonna move into So Fetch. And this is gonna go right above Wednesday into the crease.
Mine just lost like a whole bunch of intensity.
So right above it, like a little sunrise happening over here, or sunset. It looks more like a sunset.
All right, so since I am a deeper skin tone, Wednesday does not, you know, these colors are not popping on me like they are on Nikki. So
it's now time to cut the crease or cut the lid. And for this, I'm going in with my trusty MAC Select Cover Up Concealer.
We're gonna try to cut the crease Nikki style.
And as I'm cutting the crease, I just want to mention how impressed I am by the pigmentation on these shadows. They have so much color payoff. They blend so easily and so quickly. Now going in with the white shadow of the palette, the plastics on the inner third of the lid. And I'm liking this white. Is it the most pigmented white I've ever tried? No.
Somebody send help. Send help. This is not going as scheduled.
Now going back in with the orange, So Fetch, going on the center of where the white and the pink meet. So I'm going in with Regina George, and this is going over So Fetch to make it blended, baby.
Okay, this looks absolutely horrendous. We're gonna try this eye to see what happens, because Nikki already did her eye, so let's just see what happens here. So this is a complete fail. This one does look better, but
lower lash line time, and I'm gonna make it smoky and deep. So I'm gonna go in with She Doesn't Even Go Here. And this honestly might be one of my favorite shades of the entire palette because it's so rich and warm, but deep. This for fall is everything. Applying some black liner to my waterline to make it even more smoky.
I don't know what we're gonna do with this eye, you guys. Like, do we just keep it? Like, it's literally 10:30 right now at night, and I say I just embrace this beautifulness on this side, and I pretend like this just doesn't exist. Like, I say that's what we do.
So Imagine is going on the eyeballs. Bronze because I'm looking like a ghost, and if you're a ghost, you can't be part of the plastics.
Well, we don't look like a ghost, but we're gonna bronze, and we're gonna be using the Anastasia new bronzer that I absolutely adore.
A true plastic is also carved into perfection. So I'm contouring. For blushing, going in with this pretty one by Ofra. This is called My Tai.
This is what messed me up the first time. We're gonna take our time. I do have some blushes from Sleek, which are kind of like in the same family almost. I'm gonna use this color, which is pretty bright, but on me it's not gonna look that bright. So we're just gonna go over that like that. And over this side.
And something I've been doing is carving out my cheeks as well. It's gonna make you look extra plastic, which is my philosophy in life. Look extra plastic.
I'm using Heat Wave mixed with Oh Darling from MAC. So I'm going to take a little bit more of a heat wave. I'm just going to just take that up here a little bit. Just kind of put that in. Blend that out.
For lips, I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Trouble.
Maybelline. I'm going to use a different color to top it off. I'm going to use Spice Girl from Huda Beauty just because honestly a little bit darker. Okay.
Some setting spray to set it all, and we're done.
Alright, so that was it for the video, you guys. Can we have a moment of silence for this situation right here? Okay, so I'm really excited that I was able to achieve something more reasonable, something that made a little bit more sense on this side. So we're just gonna focus on this side here. And yeah, I love the way this turned out. It looks amazing. Compared to the other one, it looks pretty good. So this was kind of a fail, but I feel like I kind of winged it at the end, almost. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This was like my free trial, you know, 7-day trial. You know, and then they catch you with the boom $20.99 next month. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.